Kim Smart with Smart Interiors, located in sunny San Diego. In this short video, I'm going to talk about 3 of the top decorating mistakes and how to avoid them. I think a huge reason many people don't get around to tackling a decorating project is because they're afraid to make a costly mistake. By knowing how to avoid these decorating mistakes, it will give you the confidence to start your own dream design and to help you get it right the first time. Here we go. Tip number 1, pick your upholstered pieces first, then paint. Yep, I said it. People are always surprised by this. While paint is in many ways one of the biggest parts of your design, that doesn't mean it should necessarily be the first thing that you pick. Here's the solution. Once you've settled on some of your essential furnishings such as rugs, pillows, draperies, upholstery, it's relatively easy to pick a coordinating color from a set of paint chips. Finding fabrics you truly love after already committing to a paint scheme is much tougher. Tip number 2, buying the whole set. A designer no-no is to settle for purchasing furniture in a matching set, such as a bedroom suite or a matching dining room set. While this may be a shortcut to achieving a coordinated style without much thought, the results tend to have a lot less personality and flair. Here's the solution. Settle on one major piece, then look to different manufacturers for items that coordinate without perfectly matching. The end design will carry more personal flair and character. So for example, in a bedroom, select the bed you like, but then buy nightstands from a different collection that coordinates. A good rule of thumb is think blend, not matchy-matchy. Tip number 3, floating rugs in a seating area. Floating area rugs are a big mistake because it makes the room look smaller and disproportional. Here's the solution. You want a rug that touches all the furniture. A rug should always be connected to the furniture to anchor the seating. It tells everyone this is where the conversation is. When the rug is too small, your eye has a tendency to go to the outside edge of the rug, making the area look a lot smaller than it really is. For a successful furniture arrangement, place all the front feet of the furniture on the rug. Now the rug disappears under the furniture, making the seating area look bigger. Follow these tips and you'll be on your way to a smart interior. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time, and happy decorating.